It's a battle between Benjamin and the soda can. What are you going to do about it, buddy? Do you want the soda can? I think he's just going to throw a fit. Are you angry? Should I put it closer to you? What now, Benjamin? This is the airplane. This is his I don't want to crawl move. And that's where we're at with crawling people.